So we all have partners throughout lives, and we're all blessed until you start to find out the flaws that our significant other has. This is something, when you get like Sasquatch and shit and you just don't believe it because guess what? There's no proof for the pudding, or the pudding's in the proof or whatever the shit that they say. But I tell you what, man, there's something that's really bothering me, and I think I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to share it with you guys. And I may not show you the video. Yep. Yeah, it's still going. That's 4 minutes of hard, solid evidence. 4 minutes. You're welcome, gentlemen. Put her on blast, and I dare you to post it on any website and share it with your boy.